Hello everyone, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check recently deleted messages on Instagram. So first, let's open our Instagram app and let's say I mistakenly deleted any message and now I want to take that back. To access the deleted messages, I have to go to my profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Here, go to Account Center and then click on Your Information and Permissions. Go to Download Your Information and then select Download or Transfer Data. Select your Instagram and then select some of your information. You don't need any other information about your account, just about messages. So click Messages, Next, and click on Download to Device. Here, click Create Files and Instagram will compile all of your messaging data and send it to your email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.